So cute. Baby, look at the camera. Look. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this hairstyle. These are very sexy curls, to be honest. Like, they remind me of the Victoria's Secret style, kind of. Keep watching. Okay, so I have to plug this in, I'm sorry. Go ahead and apply heat protectant. I don't know if I want to voice over this. I probably will. Okay. Gotta protect your hair. So I use this. You can use any heat protectant. I used to use, it's a 10. Those are pretty pricey though, but I need to go get one. So put any heat protectant. Another way, if you can't hold it upside down like this, then you can just clamp it and then hold it upside down. That helps. Twirl it away from your face until you have this hair hanging out, and then you can go to like the side, or you can go straight down. It doesn't matter. It's whatever you feel. There you go. Twirl it, and then boom, a nice curl. And then twirl it, and then boom. Remember V, upside down V. And then clamp your hair. You're gonna go outwards, twist it, pull down. And then don't forget to twirl it so that it will hold it really nice. Okay. When I do it on my right side, then I go out to the right. When I do it on my left, I go out to the left. So this is the left. I'll show you one more time. When you hold it upside down, you're gonna go out that way. You see how I did it? Clamp it, twirl it. You can even hold this end and then like slide it down pretty steady and like not too slow, not too fast. If you want it really curly, then you do it slow. Ooh, this one came out really pretty. And then you're gonna hold it down again. You're gonna clamp it like this, clamp it, and then you're just gonna twirl away from your face. So, and then the same thing, you hold it down. You can go as slow as you want for if you want more curly. You can go faster if you want it like softer curls. And you'll get this curl. You're gonna go twirl it. When you twirl it, you get a nice curl. Boom. So remember, away from your face. Go slower. Watch this. So just clamp it away from your face until you see this hair hanging, and then you just slide down. Honestly, it takes practice. I taught my friend last week on how to do this, and she got it. Oh no, are my ends dead? That's my baby. I put a duck ringtone. Oh my goodness, okay. If you're watching this, baby, hi. The slower you do it, the more curlier it will be. Like, the more defined, actually. And, yeah. See, this one's slow, and it's more defined. See? That's pretty. I like to switch it up, so if I'm trying to have like messy hair, not too curly, like a natural looking one, then I would alternate. So I do this one, let's see, I'll do this like tight, so then I would go slower. I just go slow, and it will be defined curls. Yeah, see, it's more curly and spiral. And then the next piece of hair, I'm gonna go fast. So it's gonna go like this, like faster, and then it will just kind of look a little looser. And then it's like a good mix to make sure, I guess, like, you know, there's volume in your hair and it's not too textured in the back. So here's what my back looks like. But yeah, this is how I've been curling my hair ever since after middle school, so going into high school. and everybody wants to know, so here's my little secret. You're welcome. Okay, I will film the final product after. Okay, so when I curl my hair, it depends on my mood if I want to start all the way up here and then curl. So if you want that like curly from the top, then that's where you would start, but today I just feel like going like right here. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm about to like throw my hair like up and then volumize it, I guess. This is how I do it. Okay, so I like to stand up actually. I'll just go on my knees right now so you can see me. And just flip it to this side and run it out. Oh, and hairspray if you want. And then just let it fall on me. You could spray hairspray however you want to spray it. Sometimes I put on my hand and then just like, why did I do that? Okay, but then that's how I would kind of put it near my scalp area to give it volume so it's not flat. And then I would brush it very gently. This is my messy curl look. This is what it is. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. This reminds me of like the Miley Cyrus hair. Yeah, I'm pretty sure her hairstylists use a straightener to curl her hair. Obsessed. Okay. Do you guys want to see my cat? She is so cute. Camellia, I want to show my camera. Nope. So cute. Baby, look at the camera. Look. Don't be shy. Oh. She has a little tag. Oh my gosh. Hey. I'm doing this for pictures, post on Instagram.